Now we will see PHP basic syntax. Any PHP program we write in these symbols, these tags are called as a canonical tags. Okay, less than question mark PHP, and whatever the code you want to write, there you can write here, and again question mark greater than symbol you need to use. So here writing the PHP code inside these tags are called as a canonical tags. So here the scripts starts with less than question mark PHP. PHP also you should write. Next, whatever the statements you want to write, all this you can write here. Next, after the end of the statements, again question mark, close the greater than symbol you need to use. So here this tags tells the PHP engine that everything between them is PHP code. So here if you are writing the code between these tags, means it will tell the PHP engine that it is a PHP code. And if you want to write any comments in a PHP, for single line you can use double slash or hashtag you can use. For multi-line you can use slash star, some set of statement, again star slash, same like a C language. And every PHP command ends with a semicolon. Okay, every PHP statement must ends with a semicolon. Next one, everything outside the two tags is treated as a HTML and ignored by PHP engine and sent to your browser the same as any other HTML. If you are writing any code outside of these tags, then it is ignored by the PHP, and that code will be sent to the browser the same as any other HTML. So whatever the code you have you are writing in these tags, that will be considered by PHP engine. You are ignoring whenever you are writing the code outside of the tags, okay, then it will be ignored by the PHP engine and sent to your browser the same as any other HTML. This is the basic syntax of the PHP. Next we will see how to declare a variables and what are the types of the variables in PHP. Please subscribe to my channel.